down like the second round.
I mean...
Requiem Actual, we've reached the target LZ.
Let's try it.
Welcome to Alpha Site, Strike Team. Let's get to work.
I'm using the wrong fucking class. Oh well, I'll be fine. I kill the Howard. This SOCOM does seem to be working better. Or you got the first one. Again, now you just fucking go down.
Here we are. Ground zero. Dimensional gates opening around the world. Should have known it would come back to some evil Nazi experiment gone
Turn the
wrong.
timer on, right?
Wouldn't be the first time, would it, Major Carver? Team.
No. Just sit here and let it run for about 35 seconds, because that's usually how long it takes us to get to here.
It was faster than 35 seconds. It
You
was
sure? No,
yes.
it wasn't.
Yeah, it was. I promise you. You killed the zombies quickly. I'd say about 25. Once it's 25, tell me when to stop.
Alright. 5 seconds.
Actually,
3, 2.
no, dude. You realize I can put a timer on my thing.
Yeah, but this will give us... Alright, start it. Because
Facility entrance should be just ahead.
General idea of where we're at.
Okay. Don't kill them over there.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Brain eater check. Tagged another dead dude.
But yeah, ADSing does reduce your pellet spread.
Man down.
Did you not die? Oh, I killed the one behind you. I got it.
Points. Infected target removed.
See, we just doubled our fucking money doing that. Brayden?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm just used to background noise on your side, or you are hearing myself or something. It's just super fucking quiet right now. I'll get the next one as well.
Okay.
And then I'll get money and I'll go ahead and start a trial.
No, we don't have the time to do. Well, we don't really
No,
have.
because
We don't have the time to do that, dude. It's a time.
if we don't get if we don't get the drop.
Facility this old wouldn't have automated doors. Stay frosty.
Oh, yeah, I'm back.
Omega
If we don't
group
get-
equipment everywhere, walking cadavers all over the
We'll
site.
see what it is, because it
Don't need
could
a
be just
magic
like
8 ball
kills
to know
on
we're in bad shit here.
Right?
The Nazis lost control of the experiment in 45. Did the Soviets really
Just
think
grab it.
they'd
I'll
do
grab it
better?
and see what it is. We have to run this risk.
We need to get the power on.
See if we can do that.
Frag that rotten tango.
How the fuck did that miss? Bruh. Where the fucking go? Yeah, but see, we can have power on. Yeah. I should have paid for that one. Fuck. Yeah, let me get enough for that door. Where you fuckers at? I need hip fire kills, you bitches. Oh, there you go.
Stuck here.
Oh, well, that's perfect for right now. Oh, I'm so short. Oh, another one across.
Power
You buy it and head
restored.
upstairs.
Beginning cyclotron reactivation.
Or no, I go
Energy
upstairs.
stabilization. Warning. Energy stabilization. Stabilization
Fuck, I just wasted
restored.
like 50.
Anomaly generated.
You just keep hip firing.
Undead hostile,
I
KIA.
put the wrong fucking son of a.
My God. Looks a lot like the other dimensional barriers we've encountered. What the hell were these bastards doing?
Strike team, proceed with caution. We need to figure out what that thing
Got the
is.
anomaly.
I'm hitting it. Hang on. On it. Close it. I think I got a second. Oh my bad. I thought here. Oh, all right. I'm on the.
Strike team, are you there? Can you hear me?
Max ammo.
Take us back. Ooh.
Strike team, report. What the hell just happened?
Oh, fuck me.
I got one.
They went through the portal. We should run some diagnostics when they get back to HQ.
Fuck it. It only cost $250 to upgrade that. Whatever. All right. Are you heading up or am I? Oh, you're up.
I'm already up.
All right, cool. I'll stay down because I was already in the AP or the PA. Waiting on you. It's not. It's down here. Grabbed it. Go to the next one. I'll go fill up the gas.
Dead meat checked.
Cool, it's sucked up and get the sand. There we go. Yep, it's full. Just needs to insert it into the cylinder. I'm gonna kill another one just for. Ooh, right there, the zombie.
I go ahead and build the aether scope.
Looks like
Go
our
down
strike
there
team
now.
found part of a device. Any idea what it is?
I'd wager it's from our world, an end station creation. Some sort of interdimensional scanner.
You fucking bitch. And it is crafted, not grabbed.
Alright, go ahead and start hitting the balls.
Alright. That one. Got the one up top, the high one. Hitting the chair and then the vents. You already hit the vents. Bob's chair. Is that our last zombie? Alright, I'll get ready to grab it, you pop him. You hit it?
Yep, grab it.
It's our lucky day, strike team.
Let's go down.
We have new orders from the director.
What else can we do during this period?
Nothing. Because we don't have the DIE.
Okay.
Anomaly detected.
What are you doing?
Anomaly
I'm going to the
detected.
next one. I'm going to the next one.
Fetch me their
Anomaly detect
souls.
processing.
Ulrich Vogel, Director of Project End Station 19.
The right side, you said, right? Yep, got it. See, this is what I wanted to do before. That's
Anomaly.
Well, it doesn't even matter because we still have to wait
Ulrich
this
Vogel,
exact time.
PhD.
Yeah, but if we get fucked for whatever reason. Wait, I wonder if this works now. Yep, I got loose change.
The minds of our necrotized soldiers.
Wait, does loose change work on pack?
Hmm.
An army on both fronts.
No, it does not. I have cover.
Nope.
We can run it. Keep
My
out.
kind of weapon.
Are you sure?
Yeah, keep going. Just keep fucking going.
Alright,
We
we
just
gotta
need to
go
get that
through this
fucking-
round.
Well, I'm gonna keep starting trials since we're waiting anyways. And I got enough money for 4. Sound good? Never mind. I got enough money for any. Oh come on, give me fucking. Oh fuck. Avoid taking damage. This should be easy. Oh, that's a gold Hauer. Shit, I may run this one. Although its mag cap is pretty fucking low.
Picking up an unidentified
There we go, there we go,
hostile
there we go.
approaching your position. Things practically glowing with radiation.
I got a nuke. I'm gonna grab it since we're not gonna get the whole round.
Go
okay?
ahead, go ahead, go ahead, go ahead.
Kaboom!
Alright, common award available. Got 42 seconds left. Okay. Reward available intel.
You
It
still
looks like I have
get...
gold reward. Did I grab it?
You split that bastard in two. Now finish the job.
I got a bunch of fucking essence.
Can you
I got
come up
1,000
here?
essence,
Can you
but
come up
I'm
here?
I'm coming up top. Fuck, I gotta buy through again. I'm using all my fucking money, and I haven't packed yet. I gotta stop that. Where'd you go?
Down
Are you
here?
gonna spawn?
No! I'm still down here. We gotta kill the... We have to kill the boss.
You said, can you come up here? Oh, if I shoot from here?
All that power and I
Throw
still
him in the
took you
middle.
down.
Don't kill any zombies. Don't kill any zombies.
Alright. I hear a couple. Oh no, I know you don't want to hear a couple. Okay. I got a couple on me, not enough. Yeah, I've got like 5, 6, 7, 8. That's still not
Alright,
enough.
start
We need, like,
training up there.
15.
Just start training up there.
That's, yeah, exactly where I'm headed.
I'll grab the
I need
key.
to buy fucking ammo first. Give me that. Thank you. Fuck, please not
Scanning
enough.
for
Son of a
decompressive
bitch.
isotopic
I gotta kill a
estrangement
couple.
machine.
That works fine.
Double points.
I had to,
It's fine.
because I had to open this door to get down there. There we go.
Whatever happened here, Omega Group's been planning it for some time. That means
Oh,
the
did you
Soviets
get
are well ahead of
double
us.
points with loose chains?
I don't like it.
That
Son
makes
of a
two
bitch,
of
I
us.
don't have enough
DIE
essence to
signal
open
The
it.
Soviets
Oh,
must
yeah, I
have
can
known
figure
there was a risk turning that machine back on, and they did it anyway.
it. I'm coming out there to train with you. This should be plenty. I just fucking straight weaved those 2 fucking punches. Alright, yeah. get ready.
DIE signal detected. Initiating remote activation.
I'm gonna stun it, so I'm not trying to come through at once.
Bro,
And
that
also
just
get
stops them. No. What are you doing?
I
That's
wasn't
just stops
expecting to
them.
stun all of them. What the fuck? You fucking bitch.
Weapon storage at maximum. Fire when ready.
Heard rumors around this weapon. Some sort of matter absorption and dispersal unit. Whatever the
Okay, we
fuck
got a
that
crawler.
means.
I got 2 crawlers. I got an instant kill. Ow! That hurt. Yeah, he's not gonna catch up, so I'm just gonna go ahead and run because I'm not wasting. Give me some time. Boop, 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 boop.
Warning. Initialization interrupted. Power required.
What happens? What's this?
It's where
Now
I
there's something
put
you
the
don't see in
password
your
in.
average evil Nazi
Oh, okay, I'm
secret
going into the
bunker.
bar. Go to the
Now, I'm
bathroom.
no
I'm right
scientist,
there.
but it seems like it could be used to restore brain function in,
I can't.
undead specimens.
I already
says
did
show
it.
the
You
password
collected
first.
I already
hound
did it, you
gas.
nicknog.
Well
Oh, you
done.
We're getting a cutscene.
Something that potent could be enough to kill some local plant life.
Alright. This isn't going to be our fastest run, but I need you to stay at certain places at certain times. Pick stuff up and do stuff like that.
I know. We just.
Like there, the
Where do I go from
password,
here?
you can't do anything now because you don't have a DIE. But I'm saying like earlier, like the password, it took another 5 seconds for me to get it. You know, like, I'm just saying like
could've
these
just
small
stayed
things,
there.
yeah. Just saying
Just
these
tell
small
me.
things.
Just keep telling me what comes next because I know what all needs to happen. I just keep forgetting in what order. So if you'd be like, all right, the next thing is this, and this. I got a big red boy. Okay, I'm gonna take big red boy upstairs and make him throw it at the fungus.
Alright.
See, like that. I remember that's a thing that needs to happen. I just never remember in what fucking order. So, I also don't have armor yet. That's not good. Come on, big boy. Oh, I got worried. The fungus wasn't even there for a second, but it is. It's right there. Come on. Right here. No, come around this way and take you over here. Oh, look at me. I'm breaking your fucking ether crystals, you whore. There we go. That ought to get it. Alright, got the liquid.
Got it?
Yep. Grab my jug before I fucking pass.
Alright, next thing you need to do is, whenever this is done, run immediately down to the Deadshot Daiquiri.
And do what at Deadshot?
Whenever I get this next ether portal.
I'm already at Deadshot Daiquiri. Or will it is it one that'll teleport somewhere? Oh, I know what you need me to do. I know what you need me to do. Oh, am I not muted in game? What are we doing?
The thing you literally just said you're doing.
I thought it was the fuse.
Yeah, it is.
Where the fuck? Oh, we have to be in the. Okay, here it is. Because I was looking for it in the under the regular world. And I couldn't fucking find it. All right, fuse is on.
Perfect timing. Go up and grab the fungi.
All right, I'm on my way up there. Boom.
That ammo's electricity based.
Here's
Bring it
that
back to
fungus on
HQ.
Mingus.
I'm sure weapons research will be very interested.
Got it. Did you already put the explosive?
Nope, go ahead and do that.
Fuck. Got it. Exploded.
Cryo emitter, huh? I may not know much about the weapon, but I know what those words mean. You're about to put the freeze on these SOBs.
What'd you say?
Angry. I put it on there and shut it, but it didn't break it.
It's not supposed to break it.
Okay. I thought I was supposed to, like, break it open. Our time is at 18 minutes, 55 seconds.
Okay.
Not too bad.
Nova 5.
I
Well,
need to
if
mark
that's
this
anything
zombie
like
so I
its
can
sister Nova 6, make sure to put that thing away from you when firing.
I'm sorry, but I have
You're
to
good.
pack these guns. I got nothing yet because I've been fucking buying doors out my asshole. Exactly. No, the next dog round's 11, right?
Yeah, but we don't need the dog round. We need a beast.
So we were gonna have to do this anyways.
What do you mean?
To get up to this point, like, if I start killing zombies to get the beast to spawn in.
Yeah.
It shoots fireballs. You know what that means, don't you? It shoots fireballs.
Requiem, keep on making these.
Power restored. Proceeding with initialization. Warning. Initialization interrupted. Decontamination agent not found.
Wait a minute, wait. If we could restore brain functionality, and stay with me here, to the correct subject, that subject could then help us deactivate the accelerator.
I like where your head's at, Weaver. Is it elaborate? Yes. Dramatic? Assuredly. But it's got legs.
Anomaly detected.
Are you certain no one saw us come down here?
What do I need to do now?
Not at the moment. Oh,
here,
go to
big
the
boy spawning?
go to the tank. The tank.
No one knows we helped
Alright,
ourselves.
that way now.
They know perfectly well what it is. Gold. Enough for both of us to buy a nice Dutch in the country.
Excuse me? How'd that miss? Okay, thank
I
you.
do not know why they needed gold for a big fish tank, but
That is no clear Kalashnik. Look more like a gas chamber.
Fuck.
Fucking Nazis.
Alright, I'm at the tank. I gotta start beating the shit up with an ether wrench here in a second. Up he go.
Do you have a Simtex?
I do have a Semtex. I have two, in fact. Let's go. Duck it. Tank is done.
Yep.
I got a nuke. You want to end this round? Spawn a big boy.
No, not yet.
Last one alive is on you.
Yep, I know. I got quite a few on me.
Just making sure you know. I'm gonna go upgrade the damage on the shotgun because I'm close to pack too.
Decontamination agent identified. Proceeding with initialization.
You wouldn't need me down here anyways, would you?
Initialization complete.
Is it a kill if they're already dead?
Subject required.
Alright, now we have to get a boss.
Well, we got plenty of subjects. Ideas?
Ideas? Round up the usual suspects, strike team.
Yeah, what the fuck does that mean? How is that supposed to be a pointer at all? Hey, round up the usual suspects.
I don't know, it's supposed to be a joke.
Not funny, good stuff. Oh, bitch. 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 Oh!
There,
That's not nice.
there.
Ooh, ooh,
Come to me,
he's on
come to me, come to me,
I am
come to me.
coming. I don't have a packed weapon, so...
Can
I got him. I
I
split
keep
him.
this?
Run over here.
I bait him in here, you go and go in. Oh, I'm almost out of fucking ammo. Fuck, just a shot. Oh, that's perfect. They're on their way in here now.
Subject acquired. Awaiting second subject.
Bro, we gotta go. Go into the observation room. Dude, what are you doing?
Oh, fucking packing.
Why are you so... Dude!
Because you didn't say... Hang on.
I
Because I
know!
almost fucking died. I had to ether and get out of there and get this.
Commencing primary function.
Do we both have
Decontamination
to
in
be in here for this
progress.
to start?
What? Yeah, we do.
Raptor 1 is nearby,
How come I
strike
was out
team.
that one
Exfil
time?
window is short, so take it now if you're
Because
ready.
you were right at the door.
Decontamination
24 minutes, 54 seconds. So, what we do from here is we go up there, we give him the picture. Where do we get the picture from?
What happened to me? What am I? I am a monster. What did you do to me? I must get out of here. I must escape.
Warning. Subject has
I'm in
broken
there.
containment.
Right in.
Damn creature's flown the coop.
This isn't over. Get after him, now.
Oh my god, what the fuck? They almost spawned right behind you and pinged me. Didn't they say they took things into account so that wouldn't fucking happen anymore? Yeah, I was just fucking unleashing it over there. Holy shit.
Anomaly detected.
My son,
You got it? We gotta listen to talk
you
then.
cannot hear me, but I must ask you, give me strength. Amekaguru has given me my orders. I am
Oh,
the
guys, right
star
there.
that
You better run.
I have no say. It is my duty.
They don't come after me. They come after you, just run.
Information is considered very much above my rank, but
And I have a choke
considering
point
the
now.
precautions the others now take,
Yeah, there's quite a
I
few.
must face the possibility
If I get to that
I may
instant
never
there.
see again.
Okay, it's not happening.
That's more like
I hope that nothing will change, that the world will stay as it is.
I'm gonna try and call that insta kill for you.
Bruh. You can't grab it.
This I can. Pretty sure you can. I'm not gonna make it in time though. That's the fucking fuck. It went away. I'm literally right on the stairs.
bonus points.
Where do we go from here? Oh, what the fuck? Oh, here. I'm buying armor because I don't fucking have any yet.
These faces are familiar to me. I knew them once. Years past. They were my senior.
28 minutes, 4 seconds.
My family.
This time. You want to restart? I'm not getting a wonder weapon
Forces the
from them.
land
They can help me.
to do a job. And they had me. Yet they made me turn on this machine of the damned. It caused horrible things. I caused horrible things. And make a group. They have big plans. You are here to stop them. I will help you. We will shut off this infernal machine. Close the gateway. It will be the first step. I will repair the damage I have done.
Well, how about that? Good thinking. Looks like this, thing can deactivate the machine.
Deactivating the accelerator is priority 1, strike team. If that thing can do it, buy it the time it needs.
My ex spawned.
You die. I'm about to go down. Get him.
Thump the heavyweight there.
Oh.
Requiem, keep on making these.
Come on, I need his fucking stims, dude. Fuck! Nice work.
Injury healed.
Cutting it a little close there.
Where the fuck did that go?
Out of order.
Oh my god. Big man. Oh my god!
Magnetic containment subject deactivated.
Behind you, behind you, behind you.
Resonator overheating.
Fuck, dude.
Nice.
Get your shit together.
Thought I was done.
Got a decoy and C4 on this. C4 down on him. Oh my god, these fuckers are always breaking my up. Bro!
Bagged a few there.
Nice work.
Smoke that zombie fucker.
There's so many of them. I need to get 2 wonder weapons next time.
High tech all the way. Dumb as a rock and twice as dead.
I'm gonna die.
Warning. Primary stabilizing coolant
No
deactivated.
way.
Hydro infusion.
Return to target.
Sorry, I'm fucking dipshit this game. Behind you.
Activating fail-safe
He's not
shutdown
dead.
protocol Alpha 1.
Whoa.
One less pain in the butt.
You but not me.
Scratch 5 zombies.
Bro!
Picking them off left and right.
Fucking gone down 5 times.
Warning. Fail-safe shutdown interrupted. Critical cyclotron failure detected.
Bro, Jax, come on, man.
What?
Get
I
back on
don't have
task.
armor.
Thanks for the save.
And you fucking took it. I didn't have skins or anything.
Come
A
on.
bunch of fucking loot. Hang on.
Marking target location.
That's all I need to hear. Raptor 1 is inbound, strike
Oh,
team.
shit, I don't
Get the
have
hell
my
out of there.
anyways.
Commence the
Yeah, one stand.
evacuation. You have 90 seconds to reach minimum safe
Fuck,
distance.
you duped him and he ran into me. I fell. I'm dead. Go without me. You fucking juked a zombie and he spun around super quick and blocked.
Raptor 1 at the LZ, Requiem Actual.
Requiem, keep on making these.
We didn't make it this time anyways.
What'd you say?
Raptor 1 on the ground, Requiem.
33
Strike team,
minutes,
we gotta go.
44
Let's move it.
How many minutes?
33.
This is
We beat
Raptor
it.
1. Strike team on
Wait,
board
what?
for
We
extraction.
beat our time.
I thought our time was supposed to be 1.
Nope, at 36.
Wait, really?
Yep.
Oh shit, and we fucked up all.
Requiem,
the
Alpha
trial
site
thing
just
is
went
not the way to
nuclear.
go right now.
Facility has been destroyed.
Good work, strike team. We've closed the breach. But I got a feeling Omega Group is just getting started.
No. Oh, I just fell through the map again there. That's cool. Alright, you want to run it back? Or do you want to save it and edit?